Hello and welcome, my name is Lorenzo, I'm from Loway, and today I want to show you something that is truly innovative. If you are a FusionPBX user, thank you for taking the time to watch this video, I'm sure you won't be disappointed. So, you know about QueueMetrics, it's famous for its reporting, but the point is not just reporting, the point is that it helps you and it helps your team to work more efficiently with call handling. It is a complete platform that empowers agents and your supervisors to deliver exceptional customer service. Our new integration with FusionPBX brings this power directly into your multi-tenant environment, offering real-time control, intelligent automation, and advanced tools for every agent. And today, we're going to see the details of how Outbound works. So let's see how this works for an automatic outbound. You know, the agent just uses their phone and dials a number. So the agent, they click on Start Work in the morning, they are logged in automatically to the queues they're known for. In our case, this is for 1, and in a second they're going to be logged in. You can see this became green. So at the moment they are only working on one queue. Let's see what happens when they simply dial a number out. They did, and as you can see, it's not answered yet, but they are logged on to Outbound. Let's pick up this call. If you go to the call list, it opens a CRM, and you can see that there is an ongoing outbound call. The agent is logged in automatically, so they appear. This is important because the agent, even if they have not manually logged in, QueueMetrics detects that they are on an outbound call and brings them online at the moment they begin handling the call. This way, not only the agent knows about it, of course they do, but their supervisor from the real-time screen can see that they are on an outbound call. This means fewer manual steps and more times that is focused on customers. The agent is automatically associated with the correct queue, and the system immediately starts tracking them correctly. Once the call is over, the call finishes, and the agent says queues left outbound. As you can see, they are not on the outbound queue anymore. Automated outbound tracking is very useful, but I believe we can do better than that. The problem is that all the calls made by an agent are tracked on the same queue. So it is handy because they don't have to do anything special, but I believe we could do better. So let's say that we go to the agent page, join an outbound queue, so that the system knows that we are going to work on making outbound calls. So we click on dial, we select the correct queue, and we just enter a number. It is dialing, my phone rings, the extension rings, and we are in conversation. They could do this directly from here, so you can see that they have an active call. This is very handy because at this point the supervisor can see in real time, not only they know the queue they're working on, but their supervisor can see it too. Another very useful feature that is available is what we call the recall task system. So imagine your agents call somebody, and this person is available but is not going to talk to them right now. So they decide to schedule for a different date. You want to make sure that it's not just a post-it that is on the monitor. This is something that is going to be remembered. In QueueMetrics, this is very easy to do. So for example, you click here, this is a call that just closed, you click here, you select when this call is going to be available, you select the person, so it could be another person, the original caller, and a message, so please call again later, and notes if you want to be typically to be entered by the person that processes this task, and you save it. So when you go back to your agenda here, you can see there are, for example, 2 recalls that are still to be done. If you click on them, you can see the basic information, when it's valid and when it expires. You click here and the system is ready. You don't have to enter anything. You can see the notes, so you're ready for your call. Your phone rings, the other person's phone rings as well, and they are connected. Now they are on a call. That's all they have to do. so they don't forget. In this case, we make sure that follow-ups are never forgotten and the customers always receive the attention that they deserve. For those who need to process many outbound calls, QueueMetrics has an integrated manual dialer. Let's see how it works. From the point of view of the agent, if they are working on a queue that is specified for the dialer, they don't really care what's behind it, so they don't see anything. They just click here and a call starts. When the call starts, you can see that they can see the attributes right on the screen. So when the person picks up, they can know the name of the person and all the information that is meant to be available to them. At this point, they can handle the call and can specify an outcome for the call, and the dialer uses this outcome to decide if the call was good enough or it needs to be rescheduled. This way of working is meant to work with a pool of agents on multiple queues with multiple lists, and that can be reused and recycled and monitored from the point of view of the supervisor. Agents don't have to do anything, they just click on a button, get a new call, and put the correct status code. That's all they have to do. If the call does not go through and whatnot, there is a logic to recycle the number, because this is a complete dialer. It's meant to run complete campaigns. And for those who prefer to work entirely from their browser without using a physical phone, of course QueueMetrics has it covered, because we have a complete WebRTC softphone available. If it's set up, it's just available here. It's a complete phone, multi-line, you can do whatever you want with it. So you can dial, you can do anything, and if you select an outbound queue, it's going to place the call on the outbound queue automatically. So you don't have to do anything special. Everything is always synchronized, the call state, the agent state, the queues. As you have seen, QueueMetrics for FusionPBX isn't just a reporting system. It is a complete working environment for the modern contact center. Intelligent automation, operational flexibility, and complete control. And everything is designed to help your team work better and smarter. Thanks for watching this presentation. For more information and to run a trial of the system, just contact the Loway team. See you in the next video and have a nice day. Bye!